Oh my god.
Are you getting pictures?
I'm recording this.
Oh my goodness. You're recording it?
Yeah.
Oh, I want that thing.
That thing doesn't want.
Why are you on my lap? You always end up in my lap.
He's afraid a little bit.
Whoa. Oh, it's coming back. It's coming back.
Don't look at the car.
It's in the car.
It's attacking. Oh, here they come. Stop right here.
Yeah, but the big ones won't come though.
Well, there's nothing right behind us car-wise, so...
Whoa, 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 dude. Whoa, whoa. Back up, back up. Just back up, back it up.
Nice.
No, dude, we can't
What are you doing?
Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god! Dude, that scared the crap out of me. It's got a beard. It's got a beard. Can I lick you? Look at its fur. It looks so nasty. There's a car behind
Chew
us
with your
now.
mouth closed. Are these real animals?
No.
Really?
Really?
The animatronic.
It's a
Of
cartoon.
course they're real.
Look at that one.
Hey, at least he's cleaning his saliva off with his beards.
No, you got some. Ouch! Hey! On the bomb.
Oh, just kidding. Look at his mouth.
Oh, you're so gentle. Hey, I feel your teeth.
You're pretty. He's actually kind of cool.
You're gentle. Ow! I feel your teeth.
He wiped it off.
Hey, baby. Oh, it ain't.
I can see up its nose.
Here. There's a hairy buff. Oh, there you go.
I want to smack it.
Yeah, we gotta move, Ma.
All right.
Aw, too bad the bighorn things didn't get over
I
here.
know. We can go right through as many times as we want. Well, the giraffes are there. Yeah, we are allowed to go back through, but...
That'd be cool.
Look at the babies.
Aww.
Are they baby buffalo?
Yeah.
Oh
Or-
my god.
Hey, baby
no, baby
buffalo.
bulls, I think.
What are they?
Oh, those are buffalo.
Those are
Are they buffalo?
Yeah, they
Oh my god, it's coming to my window.
What is?
This thing. Oh, you're so cute. Cap carrot.
Yeah, here. It's the last one I got.
Carrot. All the big guys take all the carrots. I don't get any.
There you go. Can't even chew it, you little guy.
Gotta save some for the giraffe.
Wow.
I'm out.
Okay.
So
There's more, isn't there?
No.
Here's giraffes.
That's it?
This is all the carrots left.
Okay. They have more up the gates and stuff. Each gate.
Look at there. Why is it wet?
It's like a State Farm commercial.
Dad
Buffalo!
is disgusted.
what
I'm
is?
not disgusted. I mean, I don't